In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add customer in WooCommerce for Pabbly Subscription Billing. So let's say you use Pabbly Subscription Billing for your subscription management purpose, and now you want every time a new subscription is made here, then the customer should be added in WooCommerce. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Let's take a look as to how we do it. Let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a create workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Pabbly Subscription Billing, Pabbly Subscription Billing to WooCommerce and create. Now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a purchase is made, an action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a new subscription is made in Pabbly Subscription Billing, the action can be add that person, add that subscriber as a customer in WooCommerce. Alright, let us begin and select here Pabbly Subscription Billing. Like you can see, trigger event would be new subscription. It triggers on new subscription event. Now you will see it has generated a webhook URL like this. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects two applications. So let us copy this URL and follow these steps as to know how we are going to set up the integration. Alright. So for that, first you'll have to log into our Pabbly subscription account, to which I'm already logged in. Like here you can see my dashboard is here, my sale insights are here, total customers, then missed payments, one-time payment, and other details are here. So now let us see what we want to do is, so we have to follow this path where we have to go to settings and webhooks. Alright. On the left, you will see a lot of icons here, dashboard, products, customers, sales, subscription, and so on. And if you will scroll here, you will see settings as the second last option. Just click there. And now it will open a menu for you, like you can see profile settings, custom domain, tax settings, and other details. Again, here in this, you will have to select the second last option, that is webhooks. And you will see these are the various webhooks that I had set for my previous workflows. And now I'm going to create a new one. So on the top right, you will see add webhook button. Just click there. Now you will have to enter the webhook name. So since this is just for testing purpose, I'm going to give it trials. Now the product you can select. So I want to select this 45 days aerobics fitness program. All right. Now here again, I will select my plan. Here in the webhook URL section, you will see here, once we have clicked on the create webhook button, you will see we will have to enter the above. We will have to copy and paste this URL in the webhook URL input field. So like we have just copied. Now we are going to go back and paste it. And if you will scroll down in the events, you will see in the subscription column, you will see we need a trigger for subscription create. Okay. Here you can read in the instructions, select subscription create event under all subscription events. So it will trigger the moment a subscription is created here in Pabbly Subscription Billing. Alright. So we've selected this, and if you will scroll further down, just then you will see save button, click there, and you will see it has been added. You can see your webhook here for the trigger event subscription create. Okay. And it's active, you can see. So now you will see on Pabbly's page, you will see it's waiting for webhook response. So what we have to do is we will have to do a test submission. That is, we will have to go to Pabbly Subscription Billing and create a dummy subscription there and check if Pabbly Connect is able to capture those subscription details here. Okay, so we will go again to Pabbly Subscription Billing. On the left hand side, if I scroll down just below sales, I will see subscription. So I'll go there. These are the few subscriptions that I already have in my account. On the top right, there's an add subscription button. I will create it. So now it needs customer email. Okay, so these are the various customers that I have in my Pabbly Subscription Billing. I'm going to select this Remo at Pabblitudes. This is the customer email. And now if I scroll down, I'll have to select the product. Okay, that is Aerobics Fitness Program. Also, in case you don't have this customer here, you can add your customer. You can go to, I'll open this customer tab. Okay, you can go here and add a new customer. All right. Okay, coming back to subscriptions, we had selected the product here. Now comes the plan name. Again, this is our plan aerobics course. Now comes the unit price. Currency is in dollar here. So I'm going to just need it for, let's say, $450. Okay. And subscription terms start on, you can select the date. I am going to go with the current date, that is 19th October 2022. Now it needs add subscription reason. Since this is just for testing purpose, I am going to write checking only. Checking only. All right. You can give the valid reason that you have. And now you can select the payment method. Would you like to make an offline payment or via credit card? Then comes the payment term. Okay. So here, if you will read in the help text, you will see the payment term period defines the time period within which the customer has to make payment for the subscription. For example, if you select net 15, here you can see in the drop down, there are net 50, 30, 45. So if you select net 15, that means your customer has 15 more days to make the payment from the subscription billing date. All right. Similarly for net 30, 45, 60. Okay. So we will go with net 30. All right. Now let us just click on save. And you will see here the subscription here. It's added. You can see the email address, the customer name, the plan, everything. Okay. Now let us go to Pabbly Connect and see if it is able to capture the response. And yes, before even I could finish the sentence, Pabbly Connect captured the response. You will see here the event type is subscription create as we had set in Pabbly Subscription Billing while we were giving the webhook. Okay. And now if you will scroll down, you will see the subscription node that we had given. Checking only, that was the subscription reason that we had given. Okay. Further, if you will scroll, you will see product status active. The product name is 45 days aerobics fitness program. And if I continue to scroll down, you will see the payment term here, that is net 30. And below you will see the email address of that customer, that subscriber here, Remo at Pabblitudes. And if you will further scroll down, you will also see the contact number of that customer, that person who subscribed. Then their last name is here, then the first name is here, then the company name and their billing address details are here. All right. So this means we have successfully integrated our Pabbly subscription billing with Pabbly Connect. Now on to our next step. That is going to be our action step, and where we will take WooCommerce as our action application. So basically in this step, what we are going to do is we will connect Pabbly Connect with WooCommerce. All right. Now the action event here is add a new customer. So what we want, whenever a new subscription is made here, the person should be added as a customer here in WooCommerce. Okay. Let us connect. We'll go with add new connection, and you will see here it needs a few details like customer key, customer secret and website URL. First, let's take a look at website URL. So enter website URL without the ending / like it is shown here. All right. So for that, let us go to our dashboard, and here in the WooCommerce, let us click on home here. And on the top, you will see the URL. All right. So we are going to just take the URL till WP3. Okay, we will not take the ending slash, just going to take it till WP3. All right, come back to Pabbly Connect and paste the URL. Now let's take a look at consumer key and consumer secret. So for that, first let's read the help text. First, we will have to go to WooCommerce, then follow this path, settings, advanced and REST API. Okay, let us do this. Here is it. My WooCommerce is already opened here, like you can see. So now I will straight away go to settings. And here you will see this menu opened here, general product tags, shipping and others. So last, I'm going to select the last one, that is advanced, like it was mentioned in the instructions. And once I click on advanced, it will show this sub menu here, REST API, webhooks and so on. So I'm going to click on REST API and let's see what else it says. So after we have gone to REST API, we will have to add the key button. Okay, click on the key button and generate the key. All right, so here you can see, once you scroll down, it is opened this REST API. You will see add key here. So these are the keys for my earlier integrations. All right, now I'm going to do it for a new one. Click on add key. And here it will need a description. Okay, so since this is just for testing purpose, I'm going to just write dummy check. You can give the description as per your requirement. Now it needs permission. So let us quickly go to Pabbly Connect, read the help text. Okay, once we have generated the key, we have to choose read/write access from permissions field. Okay, so it's the permission field and we are going to select read/write. All right, generate API key and you will see it has generated consumer key and consumer secret. So let us copy this key, come back to Pabbly Connect and paste the consumer key. Now it needs consumer secret key. Again, we'll go to the same page and you will see right below consumer key, you will see consumer secret, and just copy this, come back to Pabbly and paste it here. Now let us just save it and you will see it's connected. Okay, WooCommerce is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it needs a few details here. Let's say email. We will map these details. So we are going to map it from Pabbly Subscription Billing. If you scroll down and you search using email, you'll be able to find the person's email here, user's email here. But before we map in these details, you must be thinking where exactly are we getting these Pabbly Subscription Billing details here from. Okay. For that, I will take you to step 1 where we integrated Pabbly Subscription Billing with Pabbly Connect, did a test submission, created a dummy subscription there, and Pabbly captured all the subscription and the customer details like you can see here. So Pabbly has brought exactly same response over here in the WooCommerce section, and that's how we are going to map it. So let us map the email address, and here is the one you will see, data customer email ID. All right, now it needs first name. So again, we are going to go to Pabbly Subscription Billing and map it from here. So let us search using first and you will get the first name, that is Remo. And let us map the last name in a similar way and search using last for quick results. Here you will see dummy as the last name. We will scroll down in case you want to give any username, password, you can. Billing first name, again you can map the same details here. So I'll map the name here, first name, that was Remo, and then the last name. Okay, I'll search using last for quick results like we did earlier. And if you want to give billing company, you can. Let us see if we get the company here. Yes, here is the company name. Billing address 1, if you want to give, we are going to map it. This is the address here. If we will scroll down, this is the address 121 here. Again, we'll just give a space and map the full address. Again, let us search using address and you will get the remaining here, 121 Park Street. There's no address 2, billing address 2 required here. Billing city, I'm going to search using, this is the billing city, New York. And if you want to give the state, postal code, I'm going to leave it empty. If you want to give the country here, so let us search using country and you will get it from here, US. All right. Now comes the billing email. So let us map the billing email. It is also going to remain the same. This is the one here. All right. In case you want to give other details like phone number and all, you can give. Since these are not mandatory, I'm going to leave it empty for now. So one more quick thing before I select save and send test request. Like you can see these details we have mapped in here like billing first name, billing last name, email address and so on. So these mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is the next time here when a new subscription is made here in Pabbly Subscription Billing, Pabbly will capture the response. And here in the WooCommerce section, these mapped in fields like email, first name, last name, then billing details like billing company, billing first name, billing last name. These mapped in fields will automatically pick the new data and you will not have to do it manually. All right. Now let us quickly click on save and send test request. And you will see the response has been received here. You can see the ID generated and the email address that we have given, remo@pabblytudes, then the first name Remo, last name Dummy, then the role is here, that is customer, billing details. Now let me take you to WooCommerce and check if this person Remo has been added as a customer there or not. So here I'm onto my dashboard. I'll select WooCommerce and then in the submenu I'll go to customers. And here you will see it has added Remo Dummy as a customer here. You can see the date registered, then the email address is here. And if you will click here on the name, you can also find other details like the billing details and all. I'll show you. You can see the details, the company, Remo's company, then the address details are here. So this means we have successfully integrated our WooCommerce and Pabbly subscription billing using Pabbly Connect. Not only this guys, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. For any queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com. Our team will definitely answer your queries. You can also visit our website on www.pabbly.com/connect. For latest updates, you can also join our Facebook group. Share this video with your friends and help them automate their businesses.